there. There you go. You need to hurry up, though. Oh shit, it's way bigger than that. Yeah, we might want to go.